Introducing the Philippine eJournals, an online project of CNE Publishing Incorporated that brings Filipino scholarly journals to the global research community. Philippine eJournals, or PEJ, is a collection of Filipino academic journals made available through a single web-based platform. PEJ has the following objectives. First is to promote the researches done by Filipino scholars. Through PEJ, Filipino journals can be read across the globe and eventually lead to an increase in journal visibility in the worldwide research community. Online visibility of your journal increases its chances to be read and cited by foreign researchers. This is important if you're applying for international citation indexing services like ISI, now called Thomson Reuters, or Scopus. Good citation records of your journal articles is among their criteria. Online visibility also opens your journal to opportunities to receive submissions from international researchers. This contributes to the diversity of your journal's authors. This is another plus point when you're applying for ISI and Scopus. PEJ also offers electronic publishing as an alternative, cost-efficient method of supporting journals. Online publishing cuts down your costs for production, storage, and delivery and makes it easier for you to have your journal published regularly in a timely manner. This is useful when you're applying not only for Thomson ISI and Scopus, but also for CHED Journal accreditation. And finally, PEJ serves to provide financial incentives to Filipino educators and researchers. This helps foster a culture of scholarships among academic institutions in the Philippines. We are inviting journal publishers to join in the PEJ project. If you are a higher education institution or professional organization with at least one journal that is scholarly in content and contains original research, published or to be published in the Philippines, and can provide us the digital copies of the journal files, then we welcome you to be a part of the PEJ as a journal publisher. And the good news is, you can join in for free. To join PEJ, you may visit our website at www.ejournals.ph. You can also check out our Facebook page for updates or follow us in Twitter.